Very big ocean,
yeah.
yeah?
If it's very strong waves, very typhoon, it's very cold here, I think.
Typhoon waves.
Yeah, if it's that kind of.
It will go here, the water.
Yeah, it's very open. Very open. Not the water, but it's very cold.
It's very cold here. There's no trees, you see?
Yeah.
It's very big farm here.
There's trees here, but it's very old.
There's no
farm.
trees.
You here? You see the road? There's the road.
Here's a big farm here. And the ocean. I think it's a lot to swim there.
But there is not so much fishermen here.
A lot to swim there in that ocean.
It's too dangerous to fish here, I think.
Fish?
Yeah.
It's more good to fish here.
In the open ocean, it's very dangerous. Maybe
I think it's good to swim here. Oh, it's possible to swim there.
Yeah.
It's a seashore.
It's an open ocean, maybe it's dangerous.
It's good to fish in there. Oh, it's a very big area of a farm.
Yeah.
Farming area.
Yeah.
It's too big. But it's a wide road here. Oh, here. It's a boundary. Make a boundary using by a stone.
Oh, you see the stones here?
See that?
Very wide.
I think it's allowed to swim there. Oh,
That's very strong waves.
oh, so good to swim there, Levi.
There's only stones.
It's very good to swim there.
No, it's very hard weather here.
See that?
There's no soil. It's a very strong
Good
waves.
to swim there.
Strong waves.
Very clear water. Blue, green. It's a green water. It's a very big ocean
Yeah,
here.
this is very strong ocean. There's no soil there.
Ah!
Only stones.
See that?
Yeah.
It's kind of foggy.
It's very strong. You see here.